Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Stuttgart. I've got this really unusual camper van. It's on a Fiat Ducato and it's got an enormous window and it's got a drop down bed. Let's just actually walk inside before talking of anything else and see the drop down bed in action. Here's the press a couple of things and there's the bed up there and there's the bed coming down. Shows how much space there's here. Let the lady talk, I won't talk over her. So there's the bed in action. Let's have a look at some of the other features in this vehicle. Now, this vehicle will cost 73,000 euros. It's available to be taken now. Can I say it's got a rear lounge? I don't know what it's got actually. It's very unusual. So we could say you've got the seat here. We've got all of this area here for storage. But the point of this, the pièce de résistance of this vehicle is this window here, which is absolutely enormous. I don't know any vehicle with a window like this. I just can't think of one. I mean, if anybody can, do put it down in the comments below, maybe at the front of a lorry or something. But are there any camper vans or motorhomes with this type of window? Obviously this is built for somebody who wants this type of window. Look at all this storage down here. You've seen where the bed is, and there's the fridge, same fridge as I've got in my motorhome. I said I've got a slightly bigger one. The kitchen's here. It's 2 burners and a sink. The chairs, obviously they'll turn round. We've got this space here as well for storage. The downside is, of course, there isn't a toilet and a shower, so it's made for somebody who doesn't need that type of thing, but it could be, I presume, built in. Now I want to show you the door out here, because this is also something very clever. Note what this company does. Actually, I've got video from their factory in the east of Germany, and they've removed the sliding door here and put this door in its place. They've done this with other vehicles. They've been building special vehicles, such as vehicles, for example, for handicapped people, vehicles for public transport, and they've gone into building vehicles for campers. So here we have a door here, a normal door, instead of a sliding door, and that is one of the main features, I would say, also alongside that big window. Let's come now to the back here. You can see it's a Fiat, and that gives an idea of the look through to the front. So I appreciate this is certainly not a vehicle for the majority of people. It's highly unusual. But I've seen people coming in here and having their photographs taken, smiling outside the window. So if this is the sort of thing if you find curious, then you might want to look at it. The price at 73,000 also is, I would say, somewhat competitive. So bus camp, teepee, and no, it's not a teepee, this one. It's this one. It's a bus camp big window. I don't know what it's called. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Bye for now.